What's up, everybody? It's your girl Yola here again, back for another video. I hope y'all excited, honey. I hope y'all excited. I am excited. Y'all, today's video is gonna be like, we gonna go with the flow. Yeah, okay? Because have you ever bought a makeup palette and you was like, oh girl, this is so cute. Oh my God, I gotta have it. And then you get it and you realize that you don't know what to do with that palette. You don't know what looks to make with it, or you just looking like, what am I supposed to do with this? It's pretty, but I don't know how to use it. So I bought a Juvias Place palette, and when I saw it online, I was like, that's hot. I'm gonna use that. Yeah. And baby, I have barely used this palette, pretty as it may be. But today, I'm gonna do just a simple, little simple skincare, okay? Look with you guys today. We are not, we ain't affiliated or sponsored yet, baby. We praying and hoping that one day this good Jesus gonna bless us so we can get us some good PR, honey. But until then, this is out my own good pocket, honey, and that is what it is, and we gonna do what it do, and that's it. That's all that's it. That's all. Okay? So, you already know what to do. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Like and share with your friends with a Z. Not an S, not one or two, but I'm talking about many with a Z. Friends. Okay. But thank you all for your support and everyone who already is watching me every single time that I upload a video. I totally more than you can even know appreciate all of the support. But we ain't gonna be taking too much longer up in this good intro, but we want to get straight to the makeup, to the look, honey, to the look. Okay. So let's get this started. Yeah. All right. So today I'm trying to think, which one is this? Okay, so I saw this Juvias Place palette and I was like, green. I have been all about green lately. I don't know why, but it has just been the color of the season for me lately. And it really looks good on my skin. So that's another reason, but we ain't talking about that today. But this is the Juvias Place, the Tribe palette. It is so beautiful. There are some very pretty greens. You have some oranges, browns, and then like they're blue greens as well. You got your metallics, you got your pressed powders, all of the whole nine. You know, anybody who knows anything about Juvias Place knows they're gonna give you everything that you need up in one palette, baby, but it's up to you to create the look. Okay. So today I'm not gonna do anything that's like too much, like no cut creases or anything like that, because not everybody is perfected cut creases. Shoot, I haven't, honey. But nevertheless, we're just gonna use three colors from this palette. I might throw in a fourth, but it'll just be like as a highlight color for like my brow or like my inner corner. Nothing too serious. But I just wanted to express like how much I love Juvias Place. There are actually two black owned companies that I've really been feeling lately. Juvias Place is one, and then Colored Rain Cosmetics is another black owned company that I've been raving about. I swear, like, I'm not one that usually likes to wear like lip color, but I just recently did a pink look and I used the Colored Rain color Pink Panther on my lips. And baby, I know that this is such like a bright pink. This is not the packaging, this is the color, but I'm telling you, it looked so good on my skin. My mom was like, girl, you look good. I was like, thanks, Mom. But no, I'm so serious. Like, I love the way that their colors feel. If you're looking for a matte lippy that doesn't cause you as much drying, doesn't give you like that nasty, like, I can't breathe or lick my lips because I'm dry, like the Sahara Desert feeling, I definitely would have you guys try Colored Rain products. I know that they do sell them in Target now, but they had mystery boxes for a while, and that is where I was able to try a lot of their products for a less price. Black Friday is coming up, people. If you haven't been subscribed to your favorite like makeup people, I would advise you to hop on that now. Everybody's having 40 to 50% off sales. Some people have 75% off sales. This is the prime time if there's makeup that you've been wanting to try. I mean, Pat McGrath has 30% off, and baby, if I had the funds, I'd have me some other Pat, okay? But I ain't got it, so. But nevertheless, we gonna hop right up into this. I know I took up too much of y'all time. Y'all gonna have to forgive me. Let's get into this good look. Yeah? All right. So I am going to take my Sephora brush, and if you watched a few videos back when I was talking about getting brushes for less but for better quality, this is one of the brushes that came in that Sephora Smoky Eye kit that I was telling you about. It's a nice fluffy brush. So I'm going to dip into Ashanti first. It's this really nice like olivey brown color, and I'm going to put that all around like the bone of my eye and like in my crease. And I always start by like patting it here. That was literally something that I learned from Miss Jackie Ina herself, baby. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. I love me some Miss Jackie. I know that I had a little tit-tat with your mama, but I love you, girl. I love you, okay? But anyway, I'm just gonna start patting it in my corner, and I am going to blend that out into my crease bone, baby. And we're gonna get this nice, look at that, look at that, look, it's so pretty. Juvias Place gives you pigment for your buck, honey, okay? Y'all better hop on Juvia's Planet, honey. You better hop on it, I'm telling you. Pigment for the good, for the low. And if you get it off Ulta, then you can use all your little coupons and stuff like that. But I highly recommend following Juvia's Place on Instagram. Baby, I got a good set. I paid like $8 per palette. It was, look, okay, you better get into this gig. But I'm going to finish up here on this eye, and then we'll go to the next color. All right, I'll be back in a minute. Now, let me tell you something. Everybody knows that unless you are like Miss Perfect, that everything don't line up exactly. And I always find that my right eye, when I'm blending out, looks different than my left lower. It drives me absolutely insane. So I just be blending my life away for like 5 minutes for one color sometimes. Well, that's how it feel to me. How about that? But anyway, we got that good color Ashanti laid down first. Blend it out beautifully, honey. Beautifully, beautifully. And we're gonna go on to the next color now. You know, a lot of times you can't always get very good high quality makeup for the price, so always be careful. But other than Juvia's Place, like drugstore brands are coming for people now. Like honestly, drugstore brands is like, look, we ain't trying to be left out in the dust. These other companies is coming up with ways for people to be able to afford stuff now, honey. So you Elf is another good one. I talked about them before. Milani Cosmetics, oh my goodness, like y'all better hop on Milani. Like that's my daughter's name too, so it makes me like them even more. Yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna hop into, what is this called, Tootsie, which is this nice bright green color right here. We're gonna dip into that, and we're gonna put this color right underneath that brow bone, and we're gonna blend that out. I always kind of start the same way. I do tap first and then I blend out. That's just, like I said, Miss Jackie Anna. She was like, girl, you want to get that color? You want to make it look good? You want to blend? Girl, you got to pat and then blend, pat and then blend. But anyway, so let's give that a try. Got that nice and coated on that new brush, though. You see that green? Okay, the pigment, honey, the pigment. So you see, we got that little tap of green right there. And I'm just going to bring that up right under that color. So I want it to blend in. I don't want it to take over that color. And I'm going to give that a nice tap. And then same motion. But we're going to do that right up under. And it's not like I want it to be that bright green. I kind of just want to make my own color in a way. You know what I'm saying? To blend that Ashanti with this Tootsie and kind of make like a brown-green blend. And that's what I'm trying to achieve here. So it's not like green! But it's like, girl, you got a little green right there. That's cute or whatever. You know what I'm saying? A pop of the fall, color, halo, something. So, yes, I'm going to finish this up, dab a little bit more in my corner, blend that out, and then I'm going to start on the other eye, and I'll be right back again. All right. So now we have that Tootsie also laid down. So we got that little green, and again, it's not like green. It's a nice blend of the Ashanti color as well as that Tootsie color, and it kind of made like that fall time army green color, and I really, really, really like this color. It's so, so pretty. This is definitely saying fall time to me, honey. Oh, yay! Anyway, just one more like note, like another great brand that like also has a lot of discount codes is Morphe. Oh my goodness. Like I had no idea that Morphe was as affordable in my opinion, compared to other stuff like, you know, Anastasia Beverly Hills, compared to like Bobbi Brown and Tom Ford and all of those other brands. I definitely think that Morphe is on the more affordable side. You can always find one of your favorite like beauty influencers, and sometimes they'll also have like a code so you can get more money off, and that makes it great as well. Morphe is also sold in Ulta, so you can also use discounts from Ulta to get Morphe products, which makes it just less money out of your pocket. So just another brand to look out for. Nevertheless, back to this palette. So of course now we have laid down our two matte colors, and because I am who I am, boo boo, I want a little sparkle on my lid, honey. Just a little something, a little blang, a little something to say, what's up? So I am going to go in with, is it Chaga? I swear, Juvias Place, y'all better not come for me. Y'all made these names. Not everybody is from Africa. I know their heritage, okay? Anyways, but it says Chaga, I think, and I'm going to put Chaga right on my lid. I'm going to swatch this for you first so you can see how pretty this is. It's definitely a gold brown, but it has like kind of like a greenish, I don't know, like the Ashanti kind of greenish like reflex in it. I think it's a beautiful color. I'm going to swatch that right there. See, look at that. Ooh, but what you didn't know what that's going to go on my lid. Hey, well. So I'm going to just kind of coat my brush in that. And what I will say is that sometimes when you have like the glittery pressed pigments, they don't always show up the way that you want to. And in the case, you can always just use like some type of finishing spray, wet your brush slightly, and then go ahead and dip in there. We're going to see how this applies without anything on it first. And if we need to, I will definitely do that. But I'm just going to take a couple of swipes. I want my brush to be very coated with that glitter. I'm just going to pat that right onto the lid. Oh my God. It's so pretty. Oh, I know somebody tried it. You better come on down. Okay. I'm going to put this on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm finding that it's not giving me all of the color that I want. It's not that it's not pigmented or that it's not pressed correctly, but sometimes you just need to add a little wetness, just, you know, just a little bit. So you're going to take your little stuff, and you just go, just a little bit. You didn't even need two. Two might have been too much, and I kind of like wipe off a little bit of my brush. I'm going to go right back in with that same color. With the wet brush now. Definitely picked up a lot more. Ooh, look how that looks. Oh, the color is already pretty. We're going to try that one more time. Oh, yeah. There she is. Oh, yeah. I'll be right back. All right, look at that. Can you get into that gig? Can you get into that? Right? Juvias Place? I paid $8 for this. Okay, look cute little palette. I know you lie. Can't tell me nothing. It's cute. Ooh, let me look at some mirror. Ooh. Okay, so I did only use the 3 colors. I used, you know, Ashanti, and that is what we did. We patted and we put that on our crease bone. Then we went in with Tootsie and we kind of went right underneath that color and we blended that out. And then on the lid we have Chaga, which I think that's what that says. And we put that right onto the lid, sweetie. That is cute. But I know I said 3. This is only if you do highlight. Not everybody is in for highlight. Not everybody likes the inner corner done. And sometimes I find for myself that I will put highlight in my brow and I'd be like, I'd have messed up the whole look. So if anyone wants to go ahead and have a highlight color or inner corner crease, corner color, I will be using Koro, which is this really pretty Ooh, it's really, really nice. But I'm just going to put that right underneath my brow right here. I will tell you this. Once you get brushes and then you have a whole bunch of them, use your brushes for what you feel like they should be used for. Don't be sitting over here listening to me or nobody else. If the brush worked differently, you want to find another way to use your brush, maybe this is your brush, okay? Use your brush how you want to use your brush. But I'm just going to put this right into my brow right there. All right. That is the Tribe palette by Juvias Place, honey. I really like this palette. I really, really do. It's such a pretty, like, fall time, like, you know, palette. Just, it really is to me. You know what I mean? There's this, what is this? Cuba? Oh, it's a dark, like, metallic blue-green shift. It is gorgeous, honey, okay? I have used that one. I have used sand a lot. But for the most part, the colors that I use today, like, I really don't ever gravitate toward them. But I really wanted to show you that if you have this palette, it's totally usable. You can totally do such an easy, simple look with this. I am going to throw on the rest of my little accessories, and we will be back for a final look, honey. And you guys let me know how you feel about it, okay? Okay. All right, everyone. So this is my completed look. I did a little eyeliner, a little mascara, and completed my look with the Colored Rain color in suede. I got this from one of my mystery boxes, and initially when I put it on, I was like, this looks like my skin. There's actually a video about me opening that box and how I reacted to it. Remember, my giveaway is going until the end of this week. Here, I will be announcing the winner on December 1st. I'm giving away not one, but 2 BOXYCHARMs. If you watched the video previous to this one, there are details underneath the video as well as in the video for my unboxing of the November BOXYCHARM. Make sure that you head on over there. Make sure that you check out my Instagram page, follow me there, share this video, like it as well. And until next time, remember to always be unique. Bye.